If you want to know how can you trade stickers in Monopoly Go in 2023, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we go ahead and open the Monopoly Go game and wait for it to fully load up. So once it fully loads up, let me just collect these gifts right here. So I'll tap on collect. Anyways, once I'm done from here, I'll show you what to do. So now it is very important to have more than 15 points in upgrades right here in the top left corner. As you can see, I have 37. You have to have more than 15 net worth upgrades right here in order to complete or to unlock the albums area, which is right here in the bottom right corner. So go ahead and tap right there to find your stickers, and once you find your stickers, tap on anyone to select it. Then go ahead and select the friend that you want to send it to, and then tap on send, and they can do the same, and you both will be trading stickers just like that. And that is it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.